Right, let's try this. What we got today is some 223 Winchester Super Short Magnum. Fun little cartridge. It's about up there with the 22 Swift, a bit faster than the 22 250. I use 42 grain of Reloader 15 together with a 50 grain Hornady VMAX, and that gets to about 4,120 something feet per second on that thing. People say it's a barrel burner, and so far in that chrome line barrel on a Browning A-Bolt, I haven't had any problems thus far, and I've got about, I don't know, 1,000 of some rounds through it. Stainless steel chrome line jobby, and it's doing pretty well. It's very accurate at that. Shoots just over an inch at 250 yards, so it's one of those pink mist things, I guess, for varmints, crows, whatnot. Probably for coyotes as well. Actually, not probably, it is good for coyotes as well. But at close range it does splash. It does. They have to be 150 yards and out from there, otherwise that VMAX bullet is not going to do much good. I've got a new toy, and I got fed up with these plastic funnels, and with static the powder kept clinging in them, so I bought this thing. It's from Lyman, I think, the Brassmith series, and it's a fairly heavy duty thing. It's aluminum, I think, or some sort of, I don't know, Chinesium, whatnot. And these inserts, they're definitely aluminum, and they come in for different calibers. So for the 22, it's got an O-ring in it, snaps in there pretty good, and it's not a very wobbly affair. Having said that, these have not been resized yet, so the neck is a bit larger than it will be in a minute. Right? So let's try that out, and then maybe I can just ditch these guys, and let's see how we go from here. Let's put that out the way, and we got I just want to bump the shoulder back on these. We are at, for a little bit of zero it there. There we go. And then put our die in there. I've actually decupped these. I haven't cleaned them. This is the way they come out of the gun. So we'll stick our some sizing wax. Yeah. Shell holder. There we go. Let's see. There we go. minus 2000. That'll do the trick. Right, let's do them all like that. There. Now let's get it. Let's do the next quick and see where we are. Yep, we're good. 1, 2. I've done a bunch more of these. I'm just doing 6 for showcasing the whole process. You don't see many 223 WSSM being sized or reloaded on YouTube. Let's do it next quick. I trimmed them a firing or so ago. Let's see where we're at with that. Put that out of the way. And we are at 1.6635. That is actually just short of the trim tool length. Yeah, 665. Trim length is actually 1.667. 1.67, and this is 6.5. So we are 0.05 short of the trim tool length, which is okay. And they are all identical. So there we go. That's that done. Now let's calibrate this puppy. Oops. Put the 50 on. Put the 100 on. And there we go. That's that. 0. And we got 42 grains, right? 42. Nope. 42. And go for it. While it's doing that, we'll set up the 100 seating die. see where we're at. See how that funnel works. More like that. Let's get a tray. So eager to try out the new funnel. And we forgot to put primers in these things. There we go. That's more like it. And I like that. Way better than the old stuff. Let's have a look. 223 WSSM. Yeah, I had to poodle off and find one of my factory rounds. This is loaded with a 55 grain bullet. And these are the 50s. And we want to know our length to the ogive. And that is 0. .84, so we can down just a tad. Yeah, now I don't crimp these because there isn't really that much record on this rifle. And our overall length 2.22. Yep, we're good. So we can knock them all up in the same way. I do like that funnel. No kernels left in there whatsoever. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. And one more. There. Put them with the rest of them. That'll do it. Clean up, not worth filming. See you on the next one.